In today's video, I am going to teach you how to calculate percentages in Excel. This is a simple and useful calculation, especially when you want to compare an old value to a new value and quickly see the percentage change between them. Excel makes this very easy, once you know the right formula and how to format the result correctly. To begin, enter your old value in cell A2. This could be something like January sales, an earlier price, or any starting number you want to compare. Next, enter your new value in cell B2. This could be something like February sales, an updated price, or the most recent number in your comparison. Once both values are in place, click on cell C2. This is where you will calculate the percentage change. In cell C2, type the exact formula equals open parenthesis B2 minus A2, close parenthesis divided by A2. Written out, the formula is equals open parenthesis B2 minus A2, close parenthesis slash A2. After you press enter, Excel will calculate the result. At first, it will usually appear as a decimal number. For example, instead of showing 15%, it may display 0.15. This is normal because Excel is showing the raw calculation before formatting. To make the result display as a percentage, select cell C2. Then go to the Home tab on the ribbon. In the number group, click the percent style button, which is marked with the percent symbol. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl, Shift, and the percent symbol to apply the same formatting more quickly. As soon as you do that, the decimal will convert into a percentage format. So a value like 0.15 will now display as 15%, which is much easier to read and understand. It is also important to know how Excel handles decreases. If the new value in B2 is smaller than the old value in A2, the result will appear as a negative percentage. For example, if the value dropped, Excel might show negative 15%. That tells you the amount has decreased rather than increased. This method is helpful for tracking sales, measuring growth, comparing costs, or reviewing performance over time. The key is entering the old value first, the new value second, and then using the formula exactly as shown. That covers everything you need to know.